What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Henry. I'm back here with the unboxing review of our new tattoo machine kit, actually. And it's a wormhole tattoo machine kit. So I ordered this from Amazon. This was for like probably $50, $60, depends. And this is a whole full kit. It comes with like a whole lot of stuff. I just want to say I like the way it's packaged. First of all, before I open it, you know, it's a nice compact box. You know, really durable. And this is what it looks like inside. So it comes with like a varieties of things. It comes with like obviously the guns. They actually have 2 in it, I think. So let's start off with the gloves. So it comes with I think a pair of gloves. Actually, I don't even know if this one will be reliable, but it does come with a pair of gloves. It comes with the pen, the needle. I don't know what this is called actually, but it holds onto the. Actually, let me mention, this is my first time ever messing around with the tattoo gun, or ever. I have tattoos and stuff. It's just I haven't tattooed nobody before, so I got this kit to practice. You know, just for practice purposes only for now, till I get better at it. So it comes with like a few of them. It comes with the rubber band to hold onto the gun, and also it's a few tools in there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but a few tools in there. So it comes with the ink container. This is where I think this is where you put the ink in to get, you know, so you can dip in the tattoo gun with the needles and stuff like that. And also it comes with a few tattoo inks. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 tattoo inks, varieties of color. But I noticed it also comes with like a bigger bottle of a black ink. I don't know how good this ink is, but I'm gonna try it anyways. So I'm gonna try to make this video quick as possible, you know. So this is the voltage control. I want to call it that. You know, I'm gonna call it that because I don't know actually what the names are for. So this is the voltage. I'm gonna open it. This is what it looks like actually. It's really small. I like it. I don't know, I just like it. It's not heavy. It probably weighs like, what should I compare this to? The size of your phone. It weighs like the size of your phone. Yeah. And this is, I think this is a wire to this. I connect straight to it. Okay, so let's go. I'm gonna get the tattoo gun last because this too, oh yeah. So this is, I'm guessing this is what you plug into the tattoo gun, and then you attach this to it. So I'm gonna open it. Come on, stop playing me, man. It's too early for this. Yep, I was right. So this is the handle. You hold it, and let me see. This is loud. So yeah, so basically, this is what it looks like. You put this, and then I'm guessing one of this goes in there. So if you guys want me to do put together of this whole equipment, just let me know in the comment, because I'll probably be doing that to show you guys how I put this together. And this is the needles. Let me put this back. This is the needles. Comes with like a varieties of them, a few of them. It comes with the single ones. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it comes with a single one. Comes with the 4 pins, I'm guessing. Comes with a double pin. Comes with a 3 pin. It's really a variety of them, which I'm gonna be trying to see you know, which one is for lining up. Obviously, the single pin is for the lining. I'm just going to figure out the one for the shading, thicker lines, and all that stuff. All that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel. If y'all not subscribed yet, show some love. I don't know what this is. Oh, yeah. This is the wire to connect to the machine. This is a foot pedal. That's lit. It's a foot pedal. So obviously the machine, the tattoo guns come in two. So I think this is for one inch, and this is a pedal that they both share. While you know, while I work. And fake practice skin. This is what you practice on. It's really rubbery. I like it. Hopefully it lasts. I don't know why they put just one in there. I thought they had two in there, but I guess it's better than nothing. You know what I'm saying? This is a stencil kit. Ooh. There's barely anything in here. That's crazy. But yeah, this is a stencil paper sheet. So there's probably like one or two stencil paper in here. So, and this is the manual. It tells you how to put the whole thing together, all that crazy shit. And then last but not least, let's do this away. Last but not least, the tattoo guns himself. Tattoo guns himself. You ready? Drum roll. Woo! This shit is beautiful. Like, I don't know about you, but like, I just like the designs. It gives a character, you know. It gives like a little swag to it. You feel me? Like a little ooh. And I think they're two similar designs, but different in the weight, if I'm not wrong. Yep, they're two similar but different in a way. If you notice, this one has more rotary on it, and this one has less on it. But still, I like the gold color to it. You know, it really gives it really good character to it, personality to it. But I don't know how durable all this stuff are. But I'm gonna keep you guys tuned on, you know, how all this works so far. So just stay tuned, like, subscribe, and show some love. You already know. Thanks for watching. Bye.